Hi, today our Kuma 4G kit just got a lot better. Thanks to a collaboration between Kuma and the network provider 3, you can get online immediately with a generous 200 megabytes of data free each month before you need to top up. This SIM card comes in the box with the Kuma 4G kit, no need to apply, it's in there ready to go. In a minute I'm going to show you how to install it. Before we do that, don't forget a couple of things. One is the Kuma 4G kit is unlocked to all networks. So if you don't want to use the 3 SIM card, you've got a phone contract already or a data SIM contract already, or you can get a better deal elsewhere, you want to use the phone SIM card that you've got already, entirely up to you. You're more than welcome to switch. However, with brilliant coverage across the whole of the UK and the ability to roam in 71 countries, this SIM card and 3 are going to be very hard to beat. Of course, you can top up at great rates once you've used your free 200 megabytes, and if you're a light user, 200 megabytes is a monthly allowance, not a one-off gift, and might be okay, so you've got free internet. What will you get with 200 megabytes? Let's have a quick look, a rough guide here of what you can use for 200 megabytes every month free of charge. 400 approximately, this is all approximately obviously, but 400 web pages, 500 emails, something like that would be about 200 megabytes, 40 songs, 20 or 30 minutes of streaming videos, chat on WhatsApp or using Skype for approximately 6 hours. On the phone, if you want to use video calling using WhatsApp or using Skype, you're looking at somewhere around about an hour. 3 hours of listening to online radio, and you could download or update around 25 to 30 apps. So it's a fairly generous amount of data and it's completely free every month. If you want to top up, obviously, it's really easy to do afterwards, and now I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. The SIM card comes in with the 4G kit. I've just opened it to make it easier for you to see now. You simply take the kit out of the slider. Inside the kit, the first thing you'll see is the quick start guide and the SIM card. The quick start guide, really easy to use, just one page. All the other pages are in different languages, so it's only one page you need in your language. SIM card comes with it, antenna and router. I'm not going to use the antenna because I'm in the middle of a city at the moment, but if you're in the countryside and your signal's not very good, that's a waterproof antenna. You can put that outside and you can use that to get the 4G signal from outside and repeat that inside, so you can connect your devices to the 4G kit and you can use that inside. But as I say, this time I'm in the middle of a city, so it's not really going to be necessary. It would improve the signal, but just for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm not going to use the antenna. Open the router box, take out the router and charging cable in there. Again, it's charged up, so I'm not going to use that today, and of course battery. Take the back off of the router, and then I'm going to take the SIM card out of the SIM card holder. No settings required, anything like that. Just take the SIM card out of the holder and break the SIM card out of its little plastic holder and insert the SIM card exactly the same as you would do with a mobile phone SIM card, and just pop it into the back of the router. Once you've done that, you can insert the battery exactly the same as a phone and replace the back cover. When you're replacing the back cover, there's a logo on the back of the cover. Make sure it's around the right way. Pop the cover back on, power up the router by simply pressing the power button. It'll take a few seconds, of course, for the router to power up, connect with the SIM card, and they start talking to the transmitter, and the nearest transmitter to the router. While we're doing that, we're going to move over to our device and we're going to use the wireless connections on the device just to talk to the router and get us connected to the internet. The router has got all the information you need on the front of it. At the moment you can see it's trying to connect and it's now connected. The name of the router's there, a bit of glare there, the name of the router's there and the password is underneath it. So if you've not connected your device to the router before, all you need to do is look at the screen and the information is there for you to see. So in this case it says E15A is the name of the device. So I'm just going to look through my list of connections here. Wait for it to appear and connect up. Once I've found it in the list, obviously it's going to ask me for a password. The password, again, really simple. It's written with a little key symbol below the SSID. So there's no looking up to do. Everything you need is on the screen of the router. Put the password in to the device, exactly the same as any other router, and wait for it to connect. It's telling me I'm connected, and what's happened is it's immediately loaded up 3-page to allow us to top up. However, as the 3 SIM card that's in the router contains the free data, all you need to do is tell it on the browser to go to 3.co.uk/free data and register with 3. So I'm going to go 3.co.uk/free data . The registration screen pops up. You put your data details in there and you've got your 200 megabytes a month completely free of charge, all included with the Kuma kit. Kuma 4G kit now comes with free data from 3. Hope you've enjoyed watching and I hope you enjoy using your free internet service. Thanks. That's better, isn't it? No scratching?
Bit or
All that scratching is making me itch.